The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Handheld Vacuum is a great option if you got pets or if you got a car that you need to keep clean, because this is a nice small dust buster size, but it has this motorized mini brush on it, so it does a great job at getting embedded pet hair out of upholstery. It's also a great option for keeping your car seats and your floorboards in your car clean as well. There's a couple attachments, so I really like this mini motor brush on it. It does a great job at getting embedded pet hair out of upholstery. And there's also a crevice tool. This really does a good job at keeping cars clean. This other tool also does a great job at cleaning a smaller mess up if you really want to capture it. I found that this has plenty of power and it can pick up pretty much anything as long as it's actually able to fit inside of the tool. It's a great option for keeping chairs, couches, upholstery, your cars clean. You can do pretty much anything with this. It does come with a charger. You get about 15 minutes of battery life out of it, which could be a little bit better, but for most small messes or cleaning up around the house, this is still going to be plenty of battery life. Whenever you're done with this and ready to dump it, you just press this button on the front of it. The front will come off and then you can pull the filter out and dump it into the trash can. And you'll be impressed with just how much you're actually able to collect with this. This will give you great power in a compact size, whether you're cleaning up pet messes, kid messes, or anything in between. Really recommend the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser.